Started today's topic. First of all, I'm gonna describe what is chemistry. So chemistry is everything around us. That includes khana digest karna, iron rusting, even perfume smell or soap form. So these all includes the chemical reactions. In short, you can say life itself is a chemical reaction. Okay. Next comes matter. Matter and its properties. First of all, matter is anything that exists and has weight. So weight plus space is equal to matter, or you can say existence. In here, you can take example of air. Air is also a matter because it occupies what? A space, right? Now next comes types of matter. But at first, I'm gonna discuss the properties. Physical and chemical properties of substance. In physical, anything that is seen, and in chemical, anything that causes a reaction. In here, we can see the result that has happened because of reaction, but we can't see exactly how. For physical, you can take example of ice melting into water. That's what a physical property. In chemical, we can take iron rusting. That's what a chemical reaction. Okay. Next comes the classification of matter. So in short, you can remember PM or even Prime Minister, whatever you want to say. So P means pure and M means mixture. So in pure substances, we have fixed composition. And even in fixed composition, there are two types: elements and compounds. Elements are just one type of atom, and compounds are two or more atoms chemically joined. Okay. Now comes mixture. Mixture is any random composition. And even in random composition, we have two types: homogeneous and heterogeneous. For homogeneous, we can say it's same throughput, like tea or even salt water. And in heterogeneous, we have visible difference that can be seen with eyes. For example, sand plus water. Okay. Just a quick tip. For homogeneous, you can remember homies. Means same thoughts, right? So in tea, we know there are some ingredients, but we can't see exactly what. So throughput is just same. In here, we can see that sand is there and water is there. so we can see the difference. So that was it for today's topic. In next video, we're gonna discuss laws of chemical combination. So please just don't forget to subscribe my channel so that I can help you understand laws of chemical combination in next video. Bye. See you soon.